This is a databases question, and the question is from this information systems and context diagram: what would be the most powerful tool to help participants best achieve the purpose of this system? So if we look at the information systems and context diagram, it says that the users are customers who use loyalty cards when purchasing goods, and we're a large retail organization, and the purpose is to identify trends, sequences and clusters in data in order to improve the marketing of a product. And if we carry on reading, we can look that it's going to organize, analyze, process and display data. Skilled employees are the participants, and the data and information are very large amounts of sales data, customer data, inventory data and product information. And the IT that we're going to use are large storage, fast processors and interactive software. So let's have a look at the different tools that they've got listed down here. So the first one is our online analytical processing to explore patterns in the data. So straight away we should be saying, well, look, there's the word patterns here, and there's the word trends and sequences and clusters up here, and those words interlink. So let's have a look at what an online analytical processing looks like. So here's an example of online analytical processing that we had in one of our lessons. So you can see here what we've done is we've used a piece of software to graphically represent sales information in wrapping paper, chocolate and toilet paper over various months between customers. So what we've been able to find is that there's a pattern that in December customers who buy wrapping paper normally buy chocolate. After considering what online analytical processing is, we should be able to say straight away that the answer is A, but we'll carry on and have a look at what these other things are as well. So decision tables to represent the purchasing patterns of customers. So let's have a look at what a decision table is. Here's an example of a decision table. So at the top we've got some conditions, and at the bottom we've got some actions. So this table relates to how we can fix a printer if there's an issue. So if we have a look at the top, the printer does not print, and if that's the problem, yes. And a red light is flashing, yes. And the printer is unrecognized, yes. Then these are the three possible solutions. Then if we go across again, so does the printer not print? Yes. Is the red light flashing? Yes. Is the printer unrecognized? No. Then these are the two possible solutions. Third one, does the printer not print? Yes. Is the red light flashing? No. Is the printer unrecognized? Yes. Then these are the three possible solutions. Now you just keep on going through the various different combination of conditions and the various different actions which would be the solution to those particular conditions. So we can see that this isn't the type of analysis tool that's appropriate for this particular information system. Statement C is structured query language commands to interrogate a sales database. Well, SQL or structured query language is to do with searching data using a DBMS. So it's not that one, because we're actually looking for trend sequences and clusters. We're not just looking for particular pieces of data, so we can rule that one out. And D is what if analysis to explore trends or sequences in large amounts of data. So what if is an analysis method where you put in different options and it will give you alternatives. So let's have a look at what that looks like. So here's our what if analysis example. So what we've got here is a training threshold piece of software where if we put our age in, it will show us what our maximum heart rate is and our upper and lower thresholds. So if I put in here an age of 20, then it will change our maximum heart rate from 220 to 200, and it's changed our upper and lower thresholds. And then I could say, well, what if my age was 35, and it will alter them again. And if I say, what if my age was 100, and it will alter them again. So we can see that what if analysis isn't appropriate for this particular question either. So again, because we're looking for trends, sequences and clusters in large amounts of data for a large retail organization, the answer is online analytical processing.